In this lesson, you are going to learn how to find the function rule. Here is a set of input numbers. Here's a set of input numbers and the sequence. Okay? So let's figure out, how do you get from 5 to 7? We add 2. Let's check if that's correct. How do we get from 7 to 9? We add 2. How do we get from 9 to 11? We add 2. How do we get from 11 to 13? We add 2 again. So, once you see, this is called the term-to-term rule, because this is what we need to do to get from this term to the next term. Okay? To get from this term to the next term. That's why it's called term-to-term rule. Okay? From your term-to-term rule, what you need to do is take this, okay, term-to-term rule, and multiply it by the input number, or n. Okay? So let's test it. If we are looking for the first term, okay, all we need to do is to substitute the position. So 2n is going to be 2 times 1, which is equal to 2. There's a problem now. The output number is 2, but over here it says it needs to be 5. So what do we need to do to 2 to make it 5? We need to add 3. So, what we're going to do now is we are going to add 3 to our function rule. Okay? So let's check if our answers will now be correct. So, 2n plus 3. Let's check for the first position. Okay, so let's substitute 2 times 1 plus 3. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3. And now our output number is 5. Okay, so let's check if our function rule is correct. Let's check for the second position. Okay, let's check for the second position now. So 2 times 2, you see I just substituted n for 2 plus 3. So 2 times 2 is 4 plus 3, and it's equal to 7. So it's the same. It's equal. So that means our function rule is holding strong. Okay. What is our function now? What is our function rule? Our function rule now is 2n plus 3. This is what we use to get our output. Okay? And what is our input? Our input is n. Okay? So, this is now what we call our position to term rule, because we can compute for any position using this rule. So let's say I want to compute for the 50th, okay, for n equals 50, the 50th position. I don't have to go plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 until I get to position 50. All I need to do is substitute n with 50. So we're looking for the term for 50. So it's going to be 2 times 50 plus 3. So it's going to be 100 plus 3. So term 50 is equal to 100 and 103. Okay? Bye-bye.